Check this out, we found an M&M truck. As we go around, we see so many M&Ms. Ah, somebody crushed my shell right there on the sticker. M&Ms everywhere. License plate M&M Manny 1. Oh, Man 1. I mean. And right next to it is the M&M Man 2 motorcycle. Ah! A black M&M! Ah! This is not the wrapper. And then there's a white one. Right there. Okay, guys. If y'all find this totally outrageous and really strange that somebody's really this addicted to M&Ms, rate and comment, please.